Welcome to Intel Edge Software Hub training. In this video, we will walk through the various software packages and RI available with Intel Edge Software Hub. To view and download various software packages and RIs, simply make your way to the Edge Software Hub. Once you have arrived at the Edge Software Hub, you will notice there are multiple options: use cases, software packages, and related hardware. You can choose the one that is appropriate to you. With Edge Software Hub, you can explore an array of resources, including tutorials and sample code, easy-to-use software tools, and pre-validated and configurable software offerings. You can download a pre-validated software package and access tutorials and samples to build out your own solution. The software packages and offerings make it simple to optimize edge solutions, including computer vision and deep learning applications for Intel architecture. On ESH, you will also see a catalog of recommended devices and developer kits that deliver optimized performance with our software offerings. Speed up time to market for your solution and explore deployment and scale opportunities with Intel ecosystem and partners. You can get help on building edge solutions through the support forum. To explore the use cases to see how businesses are deploying edge intelligence, download a reference implementation with pre-configured software you need. There are various real-world specific reference implementations available, such as Intelligent Traffic Management, Automated Checkout, Rotor Bearing Defect Detection, and many more. These reference implementations helps to speed up the solution development journey from weeks to hours or minutes. Reference implementation provide reusable sample applications. These can be further customized according to the need of end customer, while the use cases provides all the necessary pre-configured software to build a complete application from scratch for a related use case. In order to learn more about a particular reference implementation, you can navigate to its documentation. Here you will find a comprehensive documentation with step-by-step details regarding the install process and running. Target system details and recommendation on development kit are provided, and you will get an in-depth understanding of this application in How It Works section, followed by the Get Started guide to start building and running this reference implementation in your machine. You will also see some common known issues are shared along with the troubleshooting guide. Once you complete all the steps in this Getting Started guide, this is how the sample dashboard for this application will look like, which can be customized based on your requirement. The summary and next step section will provide you additional details on how this reference implementation can be extended to add more features. In the next video, we will walk through the configure and download process in Edge Software Hub.